Need to move USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance? Here's a quick and easy guide using just your seed phrase. Let's go. Open the SafePal app and tap Import Wallet. Then choose Mnemonic Phrase and enter your 12-word seed phrase exactly as written. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. It gives full access to your funds. Once your wallet is restored, locate and tap on your USDT token. Make sure you select the correct blockchain network, like TRC20 or ERC20. Now open the Binance app. Tap Wallet, then Deposit, and choose USDT. Select the same network as in SafePal, and copy your Binance deposit address. Go back to SafePal, tap Send USDT, paste your Binance address and enter the amount. Double-check everything, then confirm the transaction. Now wait a few minutes while the network processes your transaction. Once done, your USDT will appear in your Binance wallet. Always use official apps and never store your seed phrase online. That's how you securely move your USDT from SafePal to Binance. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this guide helped you.